basic components of hydraulic steering include helm pumps, steering cylinder, and steering lines. Hydraulic steering is ideally fitted to many types of steering applications, including outboard engines, inboard-outboard engines, inboard gas and diesel engines for boats up to 100 feet in length. SeaStar Solutions is the steering leader worldwide with the following brand names: BayStar, SeaStar, SeaSter Pro, SeaStar Tournament, Hynautic, and Capilano. While the systems can vary in size and capacities, one aspect remains consistent: our dedication to delivering you the safest, most comfortable steering performance for any vessel, no matter the engine type or application. The SeaStar helm pump is a manually operated rotary helm and is the heart of the hydraulic steering system. SeaStar helm pumps are the product of many years of research and experience by the world's foremost builder of manually hydraulic steering systems. It features the following components: a helm rotor supported by 3 roller bearings, a ball bearing piston race, field replaceable shaft seal, 1/4-inch NPT ports, a built-in lock valve for positive rudder lock, patented bleed tubes, an internal air pocket eliminates oil expansion overflow, and an integral relief valve. How much fluid pumped per revolution is directly related to wheel turns and effort. Low displacement equals easy steering, and more wheel turns, 5 is ideal. High displacement equals heavier steering and less wheel turns. Get power assist. It's all about leverage. You will find the helm displacement stamped onto the tip of the wheel shaft. SeaStar Solutions makes 3 types of outboard steering cylinders: SeaStar, BayStar, and Hynautic. The cylinder is a key component in any hydraulic steering system as it ultimately carries the load of the engine. Each cylinder is designed to meet or exceed the engine manufacturer's horsepower rating and is specified for a specific horsepower range. It is critically important to ensure the cylinder is the correct one for your engine application. Please refer to the application guides listed in our literature on our website. You will find the application guide in the attachment tab to the left of your screen. BayStar and SeaStar assemblies are specifically matched to the steering system's application and corresponding workloads. Steering lines or hoses may seem like a small part of the system. However, it is critical to match the proper hose with the system requirements. Mismatched or inferior quality hoses will compromise the overall system performance, increasing the steering effort and affecting the user's overall steering. We will discuss the proper hoses with each system covered in this module. If you have any further questions on hose specifications, please refer to our application guides that can be found on our website. You will find the application guide in the attachment tab to the left of your screen. Proper installation and bleeding of the hydraulic system is critical to the system's performance, so that the system is completely purged. Hydraulic systems that are not fully purged can seem soft and mushy, experience no hard stops to the wheel, or may feel jerky and/or bumpy. Please refer to the SeaStar installation manual for proper bleeding instructions. The first system we'll review is the BayStar hydraulic steering system. BayStar meets the needs for smaller boats with ratings up to 150 horsepower. BayStar is perfect for rib inflatable boats, small runabouts, and weekend sport fishing boats. When specifying the BayStar system, it is important to remember the following guidelines. BayStar is not intended for high-performance engines. BayStar is not intended for boat engine applications above 55 miles per hour. BayStar is designed to be used on boats with a maximum transom rating of 150 horsepower. Do not exceed 150 horsepower transom rating at any time. BayStar is not intended for use on commercial boats or pontoon boats. BayStar is available in a complete kit, which includes the steering cylinder, the helm pump, and all the tubing. Before specifying a BayStar system, always check the following: Does it fall within the engine application guideline in our manuals or online? Do you need a spacer kit or the right adapters for different OEM engine configurations? Will the cylinder fit the splash well? Will the BayStar helm fit the space behind the dash? And does the system meet the right engine steering application? When specifying SeaStar systems for single and twin engine applications, keep in mind these systems are designed for a wide range of engine and steering applications. SeaStar is specifically engineered for engine horsepower applications with the following limits. Engines and boats that do not exceed 55 miles per hour. Engines and boats that do not exceed the total max horsepower rating, which is 350 horsepower. And finally, SeaStar systems should not be installed in an aggressively driven boat. The components in SeaStar's standard outboard steering system include the following: 1 steering cylinder, 1 helm pump, and 2 each of SeaStar steering fluid. The ultimate steering for high-speed single outboards, SeaSter Pro, is designed for the high speed and performance of today's top-end bass boats. Recommended for single outboards up to 350 horsepower, even with jack plates and performance props. SeaSter Pro has steered the Bass Masters Classic since 1994, and it's the choice of high-performance outboard boat builders. In addition to single-engine bass boats, SeaSter Pro is ideally suited for boats that exceed 60 miles per hour, have flat bottom hulls, and are currently being steered with a mechanical dual-rack system. Patented steering helm valves allows for precise control. And the better the control, the faster the speeds, the more fish, and the safer ride. Also included is higher pressure settings to handle high-load, high-torque engines. SeaSter Pro is available in a complete kit, the HK7400A, and comes with the following: 1 pivot mount steering cylinder, 1 SeaSter Pro front mount helm pump, and 2 quarts of SeaStar oil. When specifying SeaSter Pro steering systems, please keep the following in mind. Always specify SeaSter Pro hoses, which are Kevlar 1500 PSI lines that will handle the higher steering pressures found on high-speed applications. Never specify standard hoses or tubing. Never use an unbalanced steering cylinder. It will lock up. And finally, never specify a BayStar steering cylinder in this application. SeaStar Tournament Series cylinders and tie bars are essential for high-performance multi-engine boats and recommended by Blue Water pros. These rugged, high-performance cylinders and tie bars are designed with professional fishermen in mind. These cylinders and tie bars are perfect for tournament fishing boats, boat speeds usually exceeding 60 miles per hour, center console fishing boats, and boats with high horsepower engines of 300 plus. Incorrectly specified equipment will affect performance and, worst case, safety. The SeaStar Tournament Series cylinder features the following unique features: secondary end gland retention using plate bolts, stainless steel wear washer, bolt-on stainless steel tie bar plates that are reversible, robust barrel shaft support brackets, adjustable threaded design, maximum stroke indicator, anodized aluminum body, stainless steel rod ends, adjustable 90-degree stainless steel orb elbow fittings, and robust wipers and seals. The proven performance of SeaStar Power Assist makes it highly recommended on any outboard application 200 horsepower and above to give your boat the same easy steering you are accustomed to in your car. It is also recommended for the following: twin and triple engine applications, bass boats, power catamarans, non-powered inboard-outboard engines, inboard-powered cruisers without engine-driven power assist, and pontoon and tri-toon boats. The SeaStar Autopilot pump is a fixed-flow, reversible type set that uses an internal hydraulic gear pump, producing very little vibration or noise. It is offered in 12 and 24-volt configurations, as well as 2 different pump sizes Type 1 and Type 2. It can be used as a standalone pilot pump or can be mounted to a previously installed SeaStar Power Assist unit and can prevent the need to break into the hydraulic lines. Features include a long-life DC motor, compact design, simplified installation, low power consumption, ABYC, CE, and J1171 compliant, superior corrosion resistance, quiet operation, and an included mounting bracket. Tilt steering gives you the ultimate in tilt steering technology and delivers unsurpassed performance and flexibility, making it the perfect system for all possible applications and boat types. Features include preloaded dual taper bearings ensure minimal excess free play, smooth operation and feel, shaft seals prevent water ingress, 48 degrees of tilt articulation, 5 positive lock positions, a compact footprint and maintenance free, and tilt steering fits most styled and formed dashes.